Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I haven't posted in a while because I really wasn't making any new projects, but I've started making projects again, so I am putting this video out as kind of an overview of tools that I use, just in case you're new or in case you are just wondering how to get started. These are 3 very basic tools and I'll post more as we go along, but I'll go through each one in detail, and if you have any questions, please ask. This is a color chart. This is the RhinestoneBiz 2020 color chart. These are ValueBright stones. On the bottom of the chart, there is the size list, so you can figure out what size you need for the crystals. This is very similar to my Swarovski crystal chart. The other thing I love that's really similar is that the page flips up, and I'm just moving the chart a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see. These are ValueBright stones, so these are a little bit different, but they still have a lot of sparkle. I bought the chart because I do plan on doing a project just so that you guys can do a comparison. But the page flips up and then you can put your fabric right underneath and see how it matches up. I love that. So I will list the company below, and if you want to order it. So this is E6000 glue. It's my favorite adhesive, and I ordered some glue tips. These go right on top of the glue pouch. I normally use a much larger E6000, so this one doesn't exactly fit. They do come in different sizes though, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how it fits on top, and then it just gives more precision when you're placing the glue on your project. And then this next thing, I get asked the most questions about this tool. It's called a wax stick. It's under $3 and it's amazing. You can use it to pick up crystals, you can use it to pick up beads, and it's just something that I always go back to. You just peel off the paper for as much of it as you want to expose, and then you pick things up with it. I love it, and I will link the name and where I got everything below. So let's open some crystals. I just ordered 2 packs. I ordered crystal clear and I ordered jet. So we're going to open the crystal clear. I'm just pointing to various things that you can look for on a Swarovski crystal envelope. I have not ever heard of anyone getting fake crystals, so I don't know what that would be. But if anyone has any questions about anything on the envelope that I pointed to, please let me know. I always get mine from RhinestoneBiz, and there's a little tab in the back that you can pull to open it. But RhinestoneBiz is like my favorite place to order crystals from. I just really trust them. And I just love how the crystals look like once you unfold the package. That's my favorite thing to see, just how beautiful and sparkly they are. So there they are, and these are for a project that I have coming up. There's a close-up, just really gorgeous. I love the way Swarovski crystals look. And then this is how the tool works. So you just take the tool and you poke it onto whichever crystal you want to pick up, and it holds onto it, and it's for easy placement. So if you had a question about that, that's how it works. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good week, and I will see you next time.